Okay. Go ahead. What did I do? I don't know what I did. Well, now my computer's dying. It's not dying. There we go. Okay. Don't touch things. Atherosclerosis is the aphtharma, which is a buildup of cholesterol, fibers, and dead muscle cells and platelets. So here it would be your bronchi. Usually it's going to be this big old hole. Now you have this tiny little one. So the effect of it on arteries, I meant arteries, not bronchi, bad guys, over time. The buildup can begin in childhood with the damage of the lining of the arteries. This is going to promote the presence of phagocytes, which are going to stimulate the growth of smooth muscles and are going to accumulate of cholesterol. So this really larger lumen is going to start getting built up, eventually leading to a very small lumen. So if you recall what cholesterol was, which we talked about it when we were talking about phospholipid bilayers, you're going to have a polar and a nonpolar end. So structural form, and here it is. So lipoproteins are low density and they transport cholesterol from liver to tissues. They deposit cholesterol at any damaged site. Because of the high density, to remove cholesterol from tissue and transport it from lipoproteins are high density, meaning that they remove cholesterol from tissues and transport it to liver for excretion. So when you think about the plaques, a stable plaque is you just kind of have like a lipid core and a little bit going over. When you have a vulnerable plaque, the lipid core is a lot larger and you start having a thinner fibrous cap. So like all of that is like gross plaque. It forms plaque in the atrial lining. This makes them less elastic and restricts blood flow. Plaque then also pushes inward, narrowing the lumen. If they break through the wall, the rough surface forms disrupt the smooth blood flow and can lead to clotting and the formation of thrombosis. Yay, it's done. So let me go back. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, make sure you have all the videos, all the notes for this one, 1 to 2 videos, and whatever assignment I gave you, just complete by next class, and I'll see you on Thursday. I will be there, and we'll finish talking about gas exchange, with next week being some lab work. Okay, bye guys. Please, please, please behave.